Stop. Put down that paintbrush and stop throwing things out because they're faded.
What if I told you you could have a factory finish in minutes without ever painting?
Hi, Bo Riles here for Rust-Oleum ReColour by Wipe New, the award-winning coating that's easier than paint. ReColour repels dirt, actually repels water,
And adds UV protection.
Advanced Wipe New technology works on any color, any finish, any hard surface.
Now watch how wine stains the untreated side, but runs right off the ReColour side. Amazing!
Rust-Oleum ReColour brings new life to your home. Imagine, no prep work, no mess, no cleanup. Just a professional finish with no brush strokes. So before you buy new lawn furniture, before you throw out that tired old mailbox or those ugly dull shutters, only ReColour will make things look brand new.